When you add whipped cottage cheese to flour with a little baking powder, you can make the healthiest 160-calorie protein bagels. All you do is mix the dry ingredients, whip the cottage cheese, mix it in, and then divide into 4 equal pieces. Shape each one into a bagel, brush it with some egg wash, and add sesame seeds on top. Air fry until golden, and you would have made the fluffiest, healthiest bagels. Follow for more. If you have 10 minutes to prep and want to feel like a kid again, make my adult lunchables. With 32 grams of protein and a little over 400 calories, this is the best lunch. Add the grapes to a meal prep container, nestle in the cheese, and add in these 34-degree crisps. I'm adding some pepperoni, these are nitrate-free, and some hard-boiled eggs. Add in some extra veggies, enjoy, and follow for more. If you've been looking for an egg-free mayo that takes a minute, this is the recipe for you. Add oil, milk, salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard to a jar. Take the immersion blender and blend until it looks like mayo. Follow for more. 1 ingredient and 5 minutes to spare, you can make the most delicious Persian fruit leather. Let's go. Add any fruit of choice to a food processor. Touch of honey is optional and process until smooth. Pour it out onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, distribute it evenly, and bake on low heat until it's no longer sticky. Cut it into strips, roll it up, enjoy, and follow for more. Let me put you on to my 30-minute few ingredient pizza pockets. Let's go. Touch of oil on the counter, roll out your store-bought pizza dough, or you can get one from a bakery. Dusting a flour on top, you could cut out the pizza pocket circles, or you can simply cut your dough into 12 equal pieces. Stretch each circle, or you could even roll it out if it's easier for you. A little bit of pizza sauce in the middle and some mozzarella. Brush the edges with water and pinch it together. Spray the air fryer basket and the pizza pockets on top. Air fry it, or you could even bake it in the oven. Enjoy and follow for more. You are missing out if you're not making my crispy and healthy low-carb rice paper apple pies. All you need to do is mix diced apples, cinnamon, and water, and my favorite all-natural Rogers Lantic table syrup, which is not made with any high fructose corn syrup at all. Cook these 3 ingredients down and then mix cornstarch at the end to make it nice and jammy. Now you can mix the milk and egg, dip in your rice paper, add the filling inside, and roll it up. Air fry until nice and crispy, and follow for more. Did you know that if you mash 1 ripe banana and then add self-rising flour, you can mix it, switch over to your hands until you have a dough ball, divide into 7 equal pieces, oil up your hands and roll each one. You can add them to your air fryer basket until nice and golden, add a little more oil on top, dip in cinnamon sugar, and you would have made healthier, fluffy donut holes. Follow for more. Mash 1 very ripe banana, add an egg, mix, pure vanilla extract, and all-natural hazelnut spread. If you don't have hazelnut spread, use any nut or seed butter instead. Mix it, add the dry ingredients, and mix again. Scoop the batter into a lined muffin tin, give it a tap, and bake. Let them cool completely, add extra hazelnut spread on top or any toppings of choice. Follow for more. If you're not making my 15-minute mac and cheese, you're missing out. Let's go. Start by boiling the pasta, and in a separate pot, melt the butter, cook off that garlic, add the flour, stir it in, and slowly whisk in the milk. Add in the cheddar cheese, parmigiano, and salt and pepper. Give it a good mix until it's nice and thick. Add in the cooked pasta, enjoy, and follow for more. I've lost 30 pounds, and eating cookies for breakfast made from 1 banana is my favorite hack to date. All you need is a banana, peanut butter, rolled oats, and any nuts or seeds. Add a pinch of salt, give it a mix, and then scoop into cookies. Add mini chocolate chips, bake until golden, and don't forget to follow for more. To a bowl, add the eggs, pure vanilla extract, almond milk, avocado oil, and maple syrup. Give that a whisk. Add in the almond flour and baking soda. Mix again, add in the fresh blueberries, and fold them in. Add muffin liners to your muffin tin, scoop the batter in, bake, enjoy, and don't forget, follow for more. Did you know that you can make your own turkey, chicken, or pork deli meat at home with just 3 ingredients? All you need is the ground meat, a few easy spices, give that a mix. Now I take out my deli meat maker, oil it up, add my meat inside with the spring, close it up, and I let it simmer for an hour and a half. Take it out, put it in an ice bath, and refrigerate until you're ready to slice. Follow for more. There's a secret ingredient to making the easiest, fudgiest brownies. Let's go. Start by processing the rolled oats. Add them to a bowl with the cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Give it a stir. To the same food processor, add the secret ingredient, which is a can of black beans and coffee. Give it a blitz. I take my favorite dark brown sugar by Red Path, add it in with the oil and pure vanilla extract. Add in the dry ingredients and mix until a nice smooth batter. Stir in the chocolate chips and pour into a lined brownie pan. Add some extra chocolate chips on top. Bake, enjoy, and follow for more. If you have 20 minutes, you can make these easy cheesy 4-ingredient pizza bites. Let's go. I'm using 1 pack of Pillsbury dough. Take each triangle, roll it into a ball, and flatten each one into a disc. Place it in your muffin tin and top with pizza sauce, mozzarella, little pepperoni, and bake. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more. If you want to stay hydrated this summer, make my all-natural blue Gatorade. There's a secret ingredient, and I'm using the Flav City coconut and pineapple electrolyte mix. It honestly tastes like the most refreshing lemonade. It's all organic, made with the best quality ingredients. All you do is take some mint, add it to a glass with filtered water, little blue spirulina, lots of lime juice, and the Flav City electrolyte mix packet. Pour it over ice, enjoy, and don't forget to give it a try. I bet you didn't know that it takes 1 minute to make healthy mayo. Let's go. In a measuring cup or mason jar, add 1 egg, salt and pepper, Dijon, lemon juice, and avocado oil. Trap the egg with the immersion blender, turn it on. Once it starts to emulsify, move it around until you have homemade, healthier mayo. Follow for more. I bet you've never had watermelon fries. This could be your kid's new favorite snack. Let's go. You're going to need a crinkle cutter. Cut the watermelon into thin slices and then cut it into that fry shape. Enjoy with anything you like and follow for more. This is the world's healthiest jam with only 3 ingredients. Add your favorite berries to a pot, splash of lemon juice, cook it for a few minutes. Mash them down, optionally add a touch of sweetener. Cook it for a few more minutes and take it off the heat. Add in the chia seeds and follow for more. My mom and I have lost over 70 pounds collectively, and these are my healthier, low-carb Pop-Tarts. And all you need is rice paper, a little bit of jam, and 1 healthier shortbread cookie. Add blueberries, wrap it up, brush with egg wash, and air fry until nice and crispy. Dust with powdered sugar, and follow for more. I was craving something sweet, so 2-ingredient cookies it is. Let's go. Add bananas to a bowl, give them a mash. The riper the banana, the sweeter the cookie. Unsweetened coconut, give it a stir. I added 2 additional ingredients, but those are totally optional and interchangeable. Shape the cookies and bake them at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy and follow for more. This is the healthiest, no need, no effort, few ingredient sandwich bread. Let's go. Separate the egg yolks from the whites. Mix in those egg whites until they're nice and foamy. Set them aside. To the yolks, add the oil, apple cider vinegar, give it a mix. Add the dry ingredients, mix again. Fold in those egg whites and mix really well. Pour it into a lined loaf pan, bake, enjoy, and follow for more. You need to stop making boring old pancakes. Make pancake spaghetti instead. Let's go. Mix the dry ingredients into a bowl, give it a stir, mix the wet ingredients in a separate bowl, and combine them together. Pour the batter into a squeeze bottle or a Ziploc bag, cut a little bit off of one corner, and pipe into a hot pan. Cook the pancake strands until golden on one side, flip over for a few seconds, enjoy, and follow for more. Why would you ever throw out your potato peels when you can make the healthiest chips in just 10 minutes that are so good? Let's go. Make sure the potato peels are washed and dried. Add them to a bowl with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasonings. Give them a mix. Air fry them for 10 minutes, tossing halfway through. Enjoy and follow for more. Did you know you can make cheesy homemade Spaghettios in just 15 minutes? Let's go. Heat the oil and garlic together, add Italian seasoning, tomato paste, and stir. Add the tomato sauce and pasta. Top off with water, pinch of salt, and add a cheese rind if you have one on hand. Semi-cover it and boil, stirring in between. Once it's fully boiled, remove the rind, add the cheese, garnish with basil. Follow for more.